Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the nice GU10 smart bulb set here. In this case it comes in a 6-pack. It's also available in other dimensions, maybe for example a pack of 2 or something else. These are smart bulbs in GU10 size, and this is a nice socket and a nice lamp because it comes with RGBCW. It's dimmable. It is a color changing Alexa light bulb. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, and of course with an app. Wi-Fi light bulbs, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. It's not a big deal if you have 5 GHz at home, no problem. Every router out there which can perform 5 GHz network, it can also provide 2.4. We have here 7 watt 500 lumen, and it looks really cool as you can see. And this is only the power of one of the bulbs. The GU10 smart light bulbs are compatible with Alexa, with the Echo Dot and Echo Flags and so on. And it's also compatible with Google Home. Wherever we are, simply control all our Alexa light bulbs by Smart Life app. That's easy to download. SMART LIFE. And after we connected the app to our 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, no hub is required. That's a really cool thing because a lot of smart bulbs out there need such a hub. We are going to use an app for this, and this is the big cool smart thing behind this. It does not require a hub anymore. Are we still struggling with what to give our friends? We take a look at these light bulbs here, which can illuminate and decorate our friends' home and make our family more smart and convenient. The Alexa light bulbs are compatible with the big players on the market. We can dim the brightness, and we can choose the colors of the smart bulb by simply giving voice commands. For example, Alexa, turn the light on or off, or a switch between the dimmable stuff and so on. We set the Wi-Fi Alexa light bulbs to come on in the morning, wake up by a smooth light. We set the lights turn off gradually in the night, so we never have to worry whether we have to left any energy-saving light bulbs on. Of course, it's possible with a smart home, and these bulbs can bring you that immediately. We can share all smart Alexa light bulbs to our family and easily control them together. Also, the smart Alexa light bulbs color temperature is from 3000 up to 6500 Kelvin. We can adjust the brightness, warm white or cool white or RGB lights to meet our needs. Really smart, really easy, because you can see the GU10 socket is there. We get it into position, job's done. After this, we maybe, if we go to the reset, or we like to reset the bulb, we make it on, off, on, off, on, off, on, and then it goes in pair mode. After this, we can connect it, as seen in that video here, with our app, and then we can control it via the app, for example. And of course, we can link it with Alexa, for example. GY is a specialist supplier of intelligent lighting and high luminous efficiency ultra energy efficient lighting. They offer intelligent and ambient light sources in all shapes and bases to add color to our work and life. They also offer super energy efficient conventionally lighting to save our money on our energy bills too. Oh yeah. We have here Echo energy saving. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, multicolored. It's dimmable. We have a GU10 socket version, voice control, app smart live app control. A group control is possible, multi-scene modes, and timed. That's really cool. Or we use Google. That means, hey Google, turn on the light and it will be light, for example, or something else. Available is it the possibility with 16 million colors, and it's dimmable to 2700K up to 6500K in the temperature. We turn on the power before installing. We install this bulb under a relative lamp holder. This is the GU10. We scan after this by using the Bluetooth controlling our surrounding with our smartphone, and while the app is on, and then we can find this bulb easily and connect it to our Wi-Fi network. For this, we get the network pin, and then we can join the network. After this, we can remotely control every cool feature of this GU10 Wi-Fi bulb system. Brightness 500 lumen, beam of angle 120 degrees, full color RGBCW. It's dimmable, and it replaced an halogen lamp with 70 watt power. This is cool. Energy saving, flicker free, no pre-glow, immediately full brightness, color rendering more than 80, 120 degrees beam angle, over 25,000 operating hours, and suitable for all conventional GU10 sockets. This is the GU10 smart bulb in RGBCW dimmable color changing Alexa light bulbs. It's compatible with all these smart devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.